Hello and welcome to the Craigie Boy YouTube channel. In this episode, Graham trims out our seriously bad abscess. A cow doesn't want to go into our crush. And a gate almost takes me out.
Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top.
It's a glorious morning here in southwest Scotland, and me and Graham have finally arrived at the farm. And I'm sorry guys for not actually videoing the scenery on the way to the farm. I know a lot of you's like that, but I thought I'd just speed things up and get us here. That was my cup. Anyway, we've arrived and as you can see the cows aren't here yet, so hopefully the guys haven't forgot we're coming. There you go. Forget that we're still going to line up. So first cow in the crush, let's get our number in the tablet and get cracking on.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
So there's around 50 cows here today. We have 3 farms to go to today, so I'm going to do little snippets of each farm, that way you get to see them all. It's absolutely roasting today though. Maybe it doesn't look the sunniest of days, but I am sweating. Oh, we've done 10 cows. Anyway, let's get more cows in the race. Hey girls, go on. Let's go. That's it. There you go. Hop, hop. Let's go. Come on, lass. Hop. Come on. That's it. On you go. Ah. Getting the first couple moving can be a pain. Come on. That's it, girls. Come on. Let's go. But usually once you get the first couple going, the rest tend to follow. They are a herd after all. Hey girls, come on. Up, let's go. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Hey, that's it. You've just got to watch that when they are moving, that one doesn't run from behind you and take you out. There you go, there you go.
What are we doing here then, Craig?
We're replacing the old rope with new rope.
Because you broke it.
No, the cow broke it eventually over time. Wear and tear, guys, wear and tear.
Isn't it strange how it always breaks when you do it with it?
It's just because you don't see it on camera happening to him all the time. So this rope that Graham has bought here is extremely strong, so hopefully should last a lot longer than the stuff that was already on it. Although the stuff that was on it did last like 8 or 9 months, so.
This stuff's like £7 a metre. $10 a metre almost.
See, don't try this at home, guys. This knife will need sharpened again. Okay, I'm taking the old rope away.
There we go. It's just held in by a knot on the end. So all I gotta do is put a knot on this end.
It's lucky this cow's back feet are up or I'd get a kick to the face, the back of the head.
Might be an improvement.
That's not nice.
I can say that because like I'm ugly, so it's okay to call somebody else. No.
Is it?
No, not really.
I don't think so.
No.
Your sister likes me the way I am, so.
She's just community spirited, Craig. Where's the bit thing?
Oh, it's still on there.
Oh.
In front of her foot. So now the rope's secure. Graham can attach the hook again and we'll be ready to go. You'd be surprised how many breakages you have when you're working with cattle. No, in fact, maybe you wouldn't be surprised.
Done.
Look.
A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, something new, somewhere out. Can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
So that's us finished at this farm. On to farm number 2. Now I need to walk around, open the big doors and let Graham in. Hello ladies. These are all the pregnant cows. Getting ready to have little cows. So the second farm that we've came to is still owned by the same farmer as the first farm. But this is their brand new shed, and it is huge. They've probably spent about $1 billion on this shed. No, they really haven't spent $1 billion. I have no idea how much it cost, but they built a big massive race just for us. Neat.
shut the gate?
Yeah. No,
Why was you
did I shut the gate?
You must have done.
Sure you didn't, you must have done. I've got it in camera, by the way.
I know. I definitely didn't shut the gate.
I will find out. I bet you it was me. Oh, I just pooped myself.
I'll let you do the honours. Keep going.
What? Don't get up, come on. Up, up. Whilst I wait for a block to dry, enjoy a nice cup of tea. Awesome. Got to enjoy these little moments. She's supposed to go that way. Come on, girl, up. Come on. Come on. Up. Next.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. Get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this side away.
And that's us done at farm number 2. On to farm number 3. And now we've arrived at farm number 3. Although Graham has made it pretty hard for me to get round the pickup. Hi Graham! Now from what I'm told there's only 2 cows here that are lame and... Yes Graham! Oh yep, this gate here. So they need emergency attention. My, that is tight. Nope, you're gonna hit. You're all good. And that is the reason why Graham does the driving. I don't mind driving the Appleton, but I still don't like reversing it into certain locations. So with these cows needing special treatment, Graham's going to take a look over and probably video it for himself. So this is going to be proper behind the scenes of the hoof GP treatment. Yep. You want both feet lifted?
Yeah. Actually, no, don't bother.
Nope.
So now we've got the foot in the air. To me, it's fairly obvious what the problem is. But actually, I can kind of see two problems with this foot. Or at least two potential problems with it. I'm not sure if you're thinking the same as me, but this foot is clearly overgrown. There's far too much height here. And there's some serious cracking around this area and loose horn in here. That cavity probably extends up the way at about 60 degrees like this, straight through the hoof horn, coming out here. These feet are extremely hard because these cows live outside for most of the year. Not 100% because they come inside. That's not good. Okay, that caught me by surprise. Now I can't get impatient in these circumstances. Oh, I don't want to go too far. When you get impatient, you end up taking big chunks. You can actually start to peel it back, look. There is the cavity I've been searching for. And try to peel it away from the corium so that I don't cut into any live tissue at all. See how this is almost black, it's browny black. So yes, there is some of the red stuff in it, but that is within the cavity itself.
And that is the end of this trim. If you guys want to see the full video of that trim, go on to Graham's Hoof GP YouTube channel and keep a lookout on the listings. Anyway guys, that's the end of this 3-farm day tour. And I shall see you guys next time on the Craigie Boy YouTube channel. Catch you later guys.